Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna rust some stuff. We're gonna rust paper clips and all of these good things on my desk. And the concoction that I have discovered is 1 cup vinegar, 3/4 cups of hydrogen peroxide. I'm not gonna measure, I'm just gonna pour some in, and then salt. I used kosher salt and it seemed to work out just great. I did some large pinches of kosher salt here. There's 3 great big ones. I put this in a glass jar and I'm throwing in all of these doodads to rust. Those were some rings for some binder rings, lots of large paper clips. I'm always looking for some rusted ones. These are called bulb clips. I'm going to use those on some cards. And what else do I have here? I've got some safety pins. I've got large ones, small ones. I think the small ones are super cute hanging off of cards. And I really wanted some. And I think, let's try it. I've never done a lot of rusting of things. These are just some metal buttons that I had in my stash. And how about these jingle bells? Oh yeah, I got silver and gold, throwing them right in that jar. And here is a really cool light bulb paper clip. I thought that might work. And look at these really cool accents. They're little garden shears, and I have a great idea for some cards. And I thought, oh, these would be really cute if they were rusty. They'd look like mine from the garden. Mine are always rusty. So I'm just clipping them off the card here, and I'm going to throw them right in the mixture, and we're going to see what happens. I've watched lots and lots of videos on this. What do I got here? Oh, some brads and some little keys. I thought those would be awesome rusted. How super cute. And there is a just a little charm I thought would be neat. Throwing everything in the pool, as you would say, and I couldn't stop. I just grabbed out all of my other little bits and I thought, let's see what else I can find. If I'm not using them now, I think I will use them if they're rusted. So here's some cute dog print buttons. I've got some different brads I'm going to dig out. Some are dragonflies. Some are leaves. I thought rusted leaves would be so cool. These are the dragonflies. I'm going to throw those in. And I'm hoping that I'm not getting too much for this jar. Like I said, I've never really done this before in such quantity. So I wanted to do it with you. Here's some dog bones that I thought were cute. Throw them in there. And what else do I got? Just throw a few more of those in. I'm looking for things. Oh yeah, this is where I come up with the brads. I've got some really cool ones from Tim Holtz that look like tops, like screw heads and things like that. Let's throw them all in there. I'm getting excited now. So I hope this turns out and I just don't have a whole bunch of mess. Look at these cool snowflakes. Could you imagine rusted snowflakes? These are going to be so awesome. And I'll make sure that I use them in some cards and show you how they turn out, okay? These are going to be great. I just decided to do them all because I've had them in my stash forever and I never used them. So I think that they'll be really, really cool if they're rusty looking. So what else can I find? This is quite full and I thought I'd just use a paintbrush to give it a stir. And look at, it's already doing something. I was super excited about that. I'm going to leave this sit on my desk for a while and watch and see what happens. I hope it turns out because I have a lot of stuff in here. So I'll check back with you in just a little bit. And here. Okay, here we are. Look at all this wonderful stuff. Let me zoom in so you can see some of this. I left the rusting mixture on the counter for approximately 6 hours, and I kept stirring it every time I walked past it. These rings are awesome. I can't wait to make an art journal with these. And then I took the mixture and I dumped it out, and I obviously dumped everything, all of my goodies, out onto this paper towel, onto a baking rack. And now I'm going to divide everything and put them in these tins so that I will have them available. Look at that snowflake. Can you see it? Cool. So I will have it available when I'm going to start, making my journals, and you can even have these on cards, of course. Look at that cool one. All types of really good stuff. So I left my trinkets, I don't know what you want to call them, my items, on this paper towel for 3 days, and it keeps rusting in the open air. So everything is really nice and rusted, and I really, really can't wait to use these things in my creations coming up. I'm super excited about it. So I hope that was a fun little tip for you. I see lots of people doing it online. There's lots of different videos. I just wanted to do it myself, obviously, because I wanted to have my stuff all rusted. And I wanted to see how long it took and if it would actually work. So the answer is yes. And again, that concoction that I made is 1 cup white vinegar, 3/4 cup peroxide, and salt. I used kosher salt, and I probably put like 3 tablespoons in there, and I just kept mixing it up with the bottom of my paintbrush and let it sit. Mix it up, let it sit. Look at these cute bells, all rusty. Neat. I love them. Okay, well, enjoy. Just a little quick tip for you. Wanted to see if it would actually work. It actually did work, and now we have lots of fun things to play with. Okay, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.